Mastering the art of social selling. So, what is social selling? Why does it matter? And how can it be done? In simple words, it's an art of using different channels to build relationships with people, including your customers and your prospects, to nurture them to receive future opportunities. Now, here's a little pro tip for you. Take a quick look. But why do you need social selling in these times? Well, you know what they say. Stats speak more than the words, so let's take a look. But how to get started with social selling? It's quite simple and you might be doing it already. Want to know how? Then take a quick quiz to find out. Do you have a Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit or a Twitter page? Have your customers and potential clients started following you on social media? Are you investing in building relationships? Are you building a community? Are you using relationships to sell your products? Or are you sharing timely and relevant content with your prospects? If you answered any three of them as yes, then congratulations! Your social selling efforts are on the right track. Now you might be interested in knowing benefits of social selling. So it has a positive impact on revenue growth. Social selling leads to higher retention rates. It educates your customers throughout the buyer journey. It leads to higher and faster quota attainment, and it might also give you some sales referrals. Now, if you are a seller, you probably know how important LinkedIn is. So let's talk about a few techniques to ace your social selling game on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has created a fantastic way to measure your efforts on the platform with the help of Social Selling Index. Social Selling Index is a score that helps individuals and brands to measure their performance on LinkedIn by focusing on 4 different components. Build your professional brand, find the right contacts, share insightful posts with others, and establish new relations. Let us now discuss some social selling best practices. Integrate social selling in your process. Invest in engaging content. Always measure your social selling efforts. Don't be pushy or annoying. Never overdo any social media effort, and before sending any message, engage with people's profile. And remember, never settle for any idea or content. Keep experimenting like a challenger sales guy.